If you're looking for new construction but don't want to wait to build, I may have the perfect home for you. We're in the heart of Short Pump where you can walk to almost any amenity. Come check out this condo with me. From this home, you'll have water views from your owner's suite and your family room. With all of this open space, you'll have plenty of room for your dog to run and play. Go ahead and plan to cancel your gym membership. Check out this pool, clubhouse, and fitness center. What a great place to come, bring your friends, and relax. Walk to retail shops, grocery, and restaurants. If you'd like more information about living in this low-maintenance community, give our team a call today.